Hello, dear 8th graders. How are you? Fine. Let's go over here. Understand about our formative number 6. It's pretty simple. And let's solve some exercise here. The first one it is, what is system of equation? Here's my answer. System of equation is two or more equations with the same variable. We'll have equations, same variables. Ta-da! System of equation. Great. Question number 2. The solution to a graphic system of equation, it is when the point x and y where the two lines are false. I don't think so. It is the point yx where the two lines are false. Yx? No, the order pair is xy. Wrong. Third one. The point xy, okay, where the two lines are intersect. Oh yes, remember that? When they intersect, here is my answer. Great. The last one is the point at yx. No, wrong. Ordered pair is always xy. Number 3, you have a graph here. What is the solution to the system of equations shown above? Guys, where is the intersection? Here. Where is for x? The intersection for x, it is 1, 2, 3. Nice. Let's write 3, comma. And for y, -2. Just locate where is the intersection. And here's the solution. The intersection over here and the point 3, comma, -2. The other graph 4. What is the solution to the system of equations shown above? Here I have the true parallel lines, guy. Parallel lines, I have solution. Do I have intersection parallel lines? Look, do I have? No solution. Great, no solution. And number 5, solve by substitution method. Let's understand this stuff over here. It is pretty simple how to solve it, and we solve this stuff over here. The first one, you need to understand the steps here, guys. It is step number 1. Y equals 4x minus 1 and y equals 2x minus 5. Use here my drawing table I have here. Let's write. It is, my equation is y equals 4x minus 1 and y equals 2x minus 5. Remember, guys, I told you, if you use a different method, remember to write over here. Oh, mister, I use elimination method. You write over here. No, mister, I use a graphic method. No problem. Remember to tell me. I need to know what method are you going to use. Great. But let's use this one. I use the substitution method. What is it, mister? I have here the value solve for y. Solve for y. Let's use this value. I use the first equation here, the solution for this first equation in the second one. I use this value here. Instead to write y in the second equation, write this one, 4x minus 1. 4x minus 1. Why, mister? I use this instead for write y equals 2x minus 5. Let's combine like terms, guys. Let's combine x with x, number with number. Let's move the lower x, the least value here for x, 2x. I move this one, will be -2x. 4x minus 2x equals, let's move -1 here. What is the opposite? Positive 1. It will be positive 1. Here it will be -5 plus 1. Let's solve this one. 4x minus 2x, 2x. -5 plus 1, -4. How many times 2 goes into -4? X equals -2. I have divided for x equals -2. Let's use this value in the first equation. My first equation is y equals 4. Oh, I know I don't have any divided for x. It is -2. -2 minus 1. 4 times -2, it is -8 minus 1. Y equals -8 minus 1, it is -9. And here's my solution, guys. it is x equals negative 2 and y negative 9. Great. Pretty simple to understand and to solve. Nice. Let's go ahead to the next one. Let's go ahead. The next one it is. Oops, let me just submit it here. Solve by elimination method. If you use different method, please explain. I will use elimination right now. Okay? Let me use elimination method. Guys, it is here. The first equation is x minus y. Here. Okay. X minus y equals 10. And the second one, it is 3x minus plus y equals 18. Remember the steps. Step number 1, line up. Step number 2, check the coefficient. Do I have any coefficient matching? Yes, mister, I have y and y. They are matching. Nice. One is positive, other negative. Oh, nice. When I have this, I add. When I have opposite coefficient, I add. When I have the same sign of coefficient, I subtract. Let's add. Let's use addition. Oh, sorry, guys, my bad. Let's use addition over here. It is. Let's solve right now then. X plus 3x, 4x. Negative y plus y, goodbye. 0. Equals 10 plus 18, 28. How many times 4 goes into 28? 7 times. X equals 7. Done. I like elimination method, guys, because it's pretty simple and fast. X equals 7. Let's solve the other one. Let's use here. I use this value in the first equation. The first equation is x minus y equals 10. I have x right now. My x, it is 7. 7 minus y equals 10. Let's move right now this guy here by the opposite. It is negative 7. Here is negative 7. Goodbye 7. Negative y equals 10 minus 7, 3. But I want negative y. I want it opposite. I want it positive. Y equals, what is the opposite for 3? Negative 3. Done. And my ordered pair, it is 7 and negative 3. Fast, yes, guys. Elimination method is very fast and very easy to solve it. Let's go ahead. Number 7. Solve by elimination again. Let's eliminate this thing. Pretty simple. Let's eliminate. Solve by elimination method. If you use different method, please write the name. The idea here, guys, you are free to pick any method you want, but you need to tell me, Mister, I will use elimination method because that's it. Great, guys. Here it is. X plus y, the first one, x plus y equals 2. 2x plus 3y equals negative 4. Guys, I have one problem over here. Line up, okay, everything line up, but it's not matching. It's not matching. It is 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 3. How can I do? How can I solve this one? Oh, miss, you need to multiply by, let's pick the least number over here is 2. Let's multiply by 2. Here the first one. Now it will match. It is 2 times x, 2x. 2 times y, 2 y's. 2 times 2, it is 4. It's 4. Great. Let's solve right now. Here, let's check the coefficient. Positive here, positive here. Okay, it's the above coefficient is positive. I will subtract. I need to subtract then. Remember, subtract everything here. Will be the opposite. Nice. I'm adding the opposite. 2x plus the opposite 2x is negative 2x. Here, goodbye. 0. 2y minus 3y, it is negative y. I'm here 4 minus negative 4. I'm adding the opposite. I'm adding 4. 4 plus 4, it is 8. But I want the opposite. I don't want negative y. What's the opposite for negative y? Y positive. The opposite for 8? Negative 8. y equals negative 8. Let's use this value here in the first equation. The first equation is 2x plus 2, y I have value negative 8 equals 4. Right now let's solve. 2x, 2 times negative 8, negative 16. Negative 16 equals 4. Nice. I have here the solution. Let's move this one here by opposite. Negative 16, the opposite, it is positive 16. And here, goodbye, don't have any more. 2x equals 4 plus 16, 20. How many times 2 goes into 20? 10 times. X equals 10. And I have my solution. My ordered pair, it is 10, comma, negative 8. Done. Just it, Mr. Oh, pretty simple, Mr. Romeo. Yes, pretty simple. I told you. We don't have a lot of stuff to do. Just we need to work the stuff we know already, solve, and we go ahead and understand all the things over here. Great? Nice. Let's go number 8. Number 8, guys, here. You can watch and understand here. Number 8, it is. Solve by elimination again. Guys, elimination is pretty simple. I will see Mr. Romeo using a lot elimination. Okay, I use elimination, graphic. I like graphic for real, but my second one, it is elimination method, and substitution is the last one. Here it is 3x minus 3y equals negative 3, and the other one, it is 2x minus y equals negative 5. Let's check the coefficient right now. It is 3 and 2 for x. Okay, no. 3 and 1 here. No. Negative 3. Okay. Which one is easiest one to multiply? Mister, I think 1 and 3. Yes, it's the easiest one. Let's multiply here, guys, by negative 3. Why, Mr. Negative 3? That's times negative 3. Okay, guys, one second. Okay, guys, let's return over here and work on this stuff over here. We have this one, it is. Let's keep working on this stuff. It is times 3. Let's multiply by 3 this guy over here. What do we have when multiply by 3? We have this. And by negative 3, by negative 3. 2x times negative 3, it is negative 6. I'll just write here over this one, negative 6. Negative 3 times negative y, it is positive 3. Negative 3 times negative 5, it is positive 15. Great. Let's right now look for the coefficient. Right now here I have 3, they're matching coefficient. Negative 3, positive 3. How can I solve this one? Guys, pretty simple. We just adding, they're opposite. 3 minus 6, 3 minus 6 is negative 3x. Here negative 3 positive 3y, goodbye, equals negative 3 plus 15, it is 12 positive. How many times negative 3 goes into positive 12? It is x equals negative 4. Great. I find the value for x. Let's use this value in the first equation over there. It is 3x, 3, negative 4, because I found the value, minus 3y equals negative 3. 3 times negative 4, negative 12. Minus 3y equals negative 3. Let's move this negative 12 by opposite. It is positive 12. Positive 12. And here, don't have any more. Negative 3y, it is negative 3 plus 12. It is 9. Positive 9. How many times negative 3 goes into 9? Oh, mister, it goes negative 3 times. Nice. Negative 3. And here's my ordered pair. It is negative 4 and negative 3. Done. Really simple. Let's go ahead here. Number 9. Let's solve number 9. The sum of two numbers is 30, and their difference is 12. Find the two numbers. Show your work. It's word problems. Let's understand. You read again. The sum of two numbers. Okay, adding two numbers. Let x be the first number and let y be the second one. Great. X is the first, y is the second. And let's solve the organize the equation over here. The sum of two numbers is 30. X plus y, I know it is 30. And their difference, okay, x minus y equals 12. Find the two numbers. Let's solve right now. Here, let's line up. Nice. Let's check the coefficient. 1 and 1, 1 negative 1. Oh, let's add, because I can match over here. I have the opposite coefficient. Let's do it this one. X plus x, 2x. Y minus y, 0, goodbye y, equals 30 plus 12, 42. How many times x, 2x, 2 goes into 42, x goes into 42, 21 times. 21. 2 times 21, 42. Let's use this value here in the first equation. Let's write here 21, parentheses I use because I use for stand for x, plus y equals 30. Let's move 21 by opposite, negative 21. It is, goodbye here, y equals 30 minus 21, y equals 9. Here's my ordered pair, guys. It is 21 and 9. And word problems, word answer, remember the numbers. Let me write here, I have enough room. The numbers are 21 and 9. Sorry, my hand right here, guys, because this is not sensible like the Google the presentation. Great. Let's go over here. And I think we're working the last one. Great. The last one, number 10, it is 47.4. The cost of 12 oranges. Guys, this is pretty easy. The cost of 12 oranges and 7 apples, it is 5.36. 8 oranges and 5 apples cost 3.68. Find the cost of each. Guys, let's first of all pick the variable. Let O be for orange. Okay, I use here for the first number orange, and let A stand for apples. Nice. I got my two variables over here. I have 12 orange, 12 O, and in math it is plus 7 apples, 7A equals 5.36. Great. And the last one, here is the second one. It is 8 orange, 8O plus 5A. It is 3.68. Nice. Let's solve right now, mister. Let's do it. Let's check right now, guys. The coefficient 12 and 8 not matching. 7, 5 not matching. 2. How can I do it, mister? Let's use it here. I like to use this one. Let's try to figure out a number 12 and 8. Can I multiply for getting any matching? Mister, if you multiply the first one by 2, I multiply the first one by 2, and I multiply the second one by 3, I got a match. Okay, let's write here, guys. By 2 times 2, and here times 3. I got a match here in orange. 12 times 2, 24. 24A plus 2 times 7 is 14A equals 5.36 times 2. Let me get here my calculator. 5.36 times 2. It is 10.72. 10.72. And the other one, it is 24O plus 3 times 5, 15a. It is equals to 3 times 3.68. It is 11.04. 11.04. Nice. Right now I haven't matched the first one. I will subtract. Let's subtract. Subtract everything here. 24a minus here 0. 14 minus 15a, it is negative 1. Negative 1. Negative a equals, and the last one, it is 10.72 minus 11.04. It is negative 0.32. But I don't want the negative number. I want positive. A equals the opposite, 0.32. 32 cents. Okay? Apples, 32. And the orange, I use this value here in the first equation. And you got it here. Let me write this one. I will pick the second one. I think I have enough room. Let me just move here, guys, the screen. And nice. I think you can see better right now. I have enough room over here. I pick the second equation. 8 O's plus 5. 8. I have the value for 8 now. 0.32 equals 3.68. Let's solve right now. 5 times 32 cents. It is 1.6. Here is 1.680 plus 1.6 equals 3.68. I will move 1.6 by opposite. It will be negative. It is 3.68 minus 1.6. It is 2.08. 80. It is, let me just check again, guys. 3.68 minus 1.6. 2.08. 2.08. How many times 8 goes in 2.08? It is 2.08 divided by 8. And you got it 26 cents. Orange equals 26. 0.26. And here's the value. Okay, guys? Here's the video. Remember word problem where the answer have the orange 36 cents, 26 cents, and apples it is 32 cents. That's it, guys. See you next class. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to study for next summative. Bye. Love you.